Hi everyone, my name is Hannah Ivory. I am enrolled in the Family Nurse Practitioner Program 3-year track. I will be starting my second year in the fall of 2020. Currently, I'm a registered nurse at Upstate Neurology Clinic, where I am the primary nurse for the neurology residents. This has given me a better understanding of Upstate as an academic medical center. Prior to that, I worked in the medical ICU and on a med-surg floor. I would say all of these experiences have given me different perspectives on hospice and palliative care. My experience in the medical ICU definitely gave me the most experience with hospice and palliative care, but my other experiences have exposed me as well. In my current work setting, I am interested in learning more about palliative care to improve the quality of life for patients with brain cancer. Seizures commonly affect their quality of life. I also think that learning more about hospice and palliative care will benefit me in my future practice as a family nurse practitioner. This will allow me to place proper referrals and ensure that patients' suffering and pain is reduced. So today I will be reviewing the National Hospice and Palliative Care Organization website with you. This website is an important resource to be aware of, as it is a great resource for providers, patients, families for information regarding hospice and palliative care. This site is a wealth of information. This site is managed and created by the National Hospice and Palliative Care Organization, also known as NHPCO, which is based in Alexandria, Virginia. I picked this site to review and share with my peers because of the site's versatility. It is a website with an abundance of information regarding hospice, palliative care, and end-of-life planning. It also reviews advanced directives. So based on the Sears assessment, I obtained a 2.8, which means that this is a credible resource. It is also a leading source of information for the national hospice and palliative care community. So now I'm going to go over an overview of the website with you and some of the resources. So this is the main page of the website, the NHPCO website. So I really like, there's two options in purple. You can go to hospice and palliative professionals or go to patients and family caregivers. So we're going to go to hospice and palliative professionals first. So I wanted to show you there's an option for a membership. There is an option for a membership for hospice as well as palliative care. And then we're going to go back. And I wanted to go down to education. So education, there are webinars. So the first webinar that I wanted to go over was July 9th. It's caring for challenging patients and families. So this also goes over additional stressors during COVID for palliative care and hospice, which I think is great. And at the bottom, it also gives the option for continuing education credits. So next, we're going to go back to the homepage by clicking this logo. And we're going to go to patients and family caregivers. So this is a great resource to give to families who want to learn more about hospice and palliative care. So we can go to choosing a hospice, and these are some questions that might come up, as well as they give a hotline number, which I think is very beneficial for some people who might not know how to navigate the internet as well. So the hospice team would be a great resource as well to kind of go over the multidisciplinary team and tell patients and family members who they might be seeing on their palliative care or hospice care team. There's also frequently asked questions. And then, let's see. We're going to go back one page to caring and info resources. So understanding advanced directives, a printout to go over, as some people might not understand exactly what advanced directives are. What is hospice? This is a great short PowerPoint that can be printed out and gone over with patients and family members, because sometimes giving too much information can be overwhelming. So giving a blank website could probably be overwhelming for some people. So the next, what is palliative care? This is a palliative care resource for healthcare professionals, as well as can be gone over with family to kind of explain the differences between hospice and palliative care. And then also choosing a quality hospice for you or your loved ones is the tool that I wanted to go over. This tool can be printed out and given to patients and their loved ones. So some things that it goes over are accreditation, right here. and what clinical staff will be involved in my care, and then also services that my family member would be receiving, and other qualities such as hospice Medicare certification. So these are important questions for family members and patients to ask prior to selecting a hospice, which I think are questions that many people don't know, as it's an experience that they've never had to go through before. So I think this would be a great resource. So we're going to go back to the home page. So in summary, I just wanted to go over that I think this website could be provided to patients and their family members during acute hospitalization, after discharge, at the clinic, for them to learn more about hospice and palliative care and the differences between the two. As a future nurse practitioner, I could provide this resource to patients and families in the primary care setting and also different settings to learn more about hospice and planning, as well as what palliative care is. I also think this is a great resource to continue my professional development as a future nurse practitioner. It is important to stay up to date on palliative care and the current practices, regardless if that's what my specialty is. So I want to thank you all for your time. If you have any questions, let me know. But thank you for watching my presentation. Have a great day. Bye.